Hello, this is Putri speaking from PT Sejahtera. How can I help you?
I have received my order which I requested this morning, but I felt very disappointed after getting that.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
The laptop I ordered was so very low quality. It didn't match the money I had given. The side of the laptop also has scratches. I want my money back.
I'm so sorry to hear that. I will find a solution.
No, I just want my money back.
Sorry for the money we have received. We cannot return it. For that, what if we replace the goods with new ones and with the best quality according to the money that you have given? Remembering about the Mr. will use the item tomorrow for work? Our service will deliver it to the Mr. house. How?
Yes, I think it's the best solution. When will the time arrive? Remembering tomorrow morning, I have to go to work immediately.
The goods will arrive tonight, sir.
Okay, thank you for the help.
You're welcome, sir. If there is a problem and need help, do not hesitate to contact us again.
Okay, thanks again.